As a species, we are wired for storytelling.
The film and television industry is exploding with opportunity, and this online course from the globally recognized NYU Tisch School of the Arts will set you up for success.
Can I actually tell a story? Can I use this medium to capture something where I have to focus on light and darkness?
And the right lighting, the right time, all come together. Because when it all works, that is the high that you'll always be chasing. That is an extension of you.
Expert faculty from New York University will teach you the foundations of the industry, with modules covering topics like screenwriting, directing for television, film history, pre- and post-production, creating a short film, distribution, and more. And industry experts from leading organizations throughout the film and television world will provide real-world insight and advice.
I think that there's filmmakers everywhere and there's collectives everywhere.
Whenever you talk to anyone in Hollywood, is that everyone's path here is different.
When you don't have a lot of money, you have to organize. In that planning, their craft is developed. You do that stuff well, and then you have an opportunity to succeed.
I was lucky enough that the experience of NYU reinforced the fact that I was on the right path. This is a journey of self-discovery.
If you're passionate about film and television, make it your career. Film and Television Industry Essentials is the perfect place to start.